Even we don't know we have enough time or not, but right now, I think now you check the problems, right? So you have time to check it, and we have a problem from chapter 1, so it's problem 1 point, problem from chapter 1, and the 17th problem, and the problem talking about this. So we have A and B. So take a picture first, yes. And suddenly have the problem. Even after classes, you need to check the problem again, but I ask you to take a photo to have the problem set first. And for the 2 problems, of course, you need to reply. Okay, you need to answer for all of you, 1 and 2. But right now, I will assign some of our members to talk about and share the answer later. So the first problem, 1.17a. So assign to good 1. Focus on A only. And B by good 2. 1.17b by good 2. And the problem here, first of all, Q length by good 3. And, not Q length, system size by good 3. And system waiting time by good 4. Alright, so right now you can think about the problem and then you have 5 minutes to prepare the answer, and later we can share. After sharing, finally we will ask you to upload your answer. Perhaps it's quite long, so same, you can write it on one A4 page and send the photo to line group possibly. But maybe not right now. First of all, prepare your answer. Group 1 to 4, prepare your answer, and 5 minutes later we will ask you to share. So let me make sure for the 2 problems by 4 sub-problems finished by group 1. Group 1 ready? 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 Okay. And group 4 ready? Not yet. Okay, you can continue. And group 2 ready? Okay. And group 3? Okay. So maybe 4 you can continue. Let me proceed the discussion from group 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, let me start the Skype. So presenter join at least. And then check how you join and share the screen. And try to share so that you can occupy the main page. 10 answers. Correct. And you're ready? Okay. Who is the presenter? So if you are ready, then go.
I use the total bandwidth because it's FDM, so we use the total bandwidth to DVD the cell 550 DVD hertz, 10 hertz. So we use the total bandwidth to 33 hertz to multiply the this is total bandwidth, and DVD DVD 50 to get 616 channel. So we reserve the one control channel, so probably we have 659 channel, and this is what we serve.
All right, thank you. So for a while the answer, maybe still stay there. The answer. Show the answer again. And all of you can take a picture because I asked all of you need to talk about the answers for problem 1 and 2. So keep the answer from the other groups. All right. Okay, but just for your reference, correct or not, it's up to you. Okay, so this is a rough answer from group 1 and group 2.
Yeah, so I can also show my.
Sure. You can ask him and show your answer.
Yeah, but basically, I just started writing it down because I can also explain it. It's not that complicated.
Oh, sure. Wait a moment. Try to start the microphone and so that maybe. Yeah. And turn it off.
Okay, so basically, as the first group already.
You can speak louder.
So as the first group already explained, first we need to transform the megahertz to kilohertz and then divide it, which was correctly. And so for the second part, we not only want to use the frequency bandwidth, but also thread it through the 8 multiplexes, which is basically just multiplying the 660 from the first.
Multiply 8.
By 8.
Yeah. So the answer from good 2 says the answer should be times 8, so that we have a channel using TDMA, right? Multiplexing. Okay. So this is the answer from good 2.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And clear for the answer. He said the answer on B should be 8 multiplies the original answer from good 1 for your reference. And then it's good 3. Same. Shall try to turn on microphone but turn it off immediately, and so that we won't have echo. Speak louder.
Okay, so the change in the average number of customers in the system, LS, when the arrival rate and service rate are doubled in an M1 efficiency queuing system. So the answer is that LS remains unchanged. We can see here from the formula, the step 1, the original utilization rate is back a formula, and when we calculate the LS, the result is lambda over mu minus lambda. And then on the step 2, we calculate the new LS, which is also the same with the previous LS. So on the step 3, we compare the previous LS and the new LS, which is the same. So the conclusion of our answer is that LS remains unchanged.
So thank you again. For all of you who can technical story, you still remain on that page. Yes, you can take a picture first, so that you have the reference answer. You can judge correct or not. Why? I don't have the concrete answer because I ask you to think about this. And finally, you need to have your own answer on Paul everywhere or on our line group. But you need to write it for yourself. All right. Let me finish the final discussion, but maybe next time I ask you to have the answer on Paul everywhere, but not this time. But at least you need to collect all the answers. So final one from group 4. Share your screen and turn on microphone, but turn it off immediately. Correct. So, ready? So, presenter.
So, for the first problem, we have the average number of customers in the system. It's really simple formula. We just multiply it by 2 and find out that it divides itself, so it remains the same. And for the second problem, we just multiply it by 2, and which means we can separate it, and it's like half of the dwell time of customers, which is original. So that's it.
So change your remain unchanged or changed for your sub-problem.
So our sub-problem is the average dwell time, and it halved.
Halved.
Yeah.
All right, halved. Same, take a picture and then serving us your solution.